Damn. Told you it was bulletproof.
That's the most hooligan thing I've ever done.
This brings us to the exoskeleton, made out of a material Tesla calls HFS, or hard, exactly what you think it is, steel, a custom alloy developed in-house. On a traditional car, the body panels are floppy metal. They're just to make the shape and not much else. The outside of the Cybertruck is so strong that it becomes the structure. In fact, Tesla says the skin is so tough that it doesn't even need side impact door beams. And that would make me really nervous, except, Are you kidding me? We're talking about Tesla here. This is so nuts. So this is a 3,100 pound cart, 1,400 kilos, and it just hit the side of the Cybertruck at 33.5 miles an hour. And you're looking at it, it's barely deformed. And that's because of the stainless steel exoskeleton. In fact, didn't even break the door glass. All it did was just flop the wiper over. Beep.